Prepping a cake pan can be kind of scary or whatever, but it doesn't have to be. Just get some butter and line the bottom of your cake pans with it. Make sure to hit those corners or else your cake might stick to it. Next, just put a little bit of flour in there. And then the next step is actually one of my favorite ones, because all you're gonna do is take the pan and just shake it a bit. Get the flour all over, a little in the corners, that's it. Now with your paper, fold it in half, and we're gonna work towards a little rectangle. So fold it in half again, and then just bring the corners in a couple of times. Now you've got it folded, grab your favorite scissors, put the center of the paper in the center of the pan and cut just inside the lip of the pan. That's going to give you the right size that you need for your cake pan. And then you're ready to go.